In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best coffee machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the coffee machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Cafelffe Portable Espresso Machine. The Cafelffe Portable Espresso Machine is the ultimate coffee companion for outdoor adventures. With a 19-bar pressure pump, it delivers rich, barista-quality espresso anywhere. The 7,500 mAh battery powers up to 200 brews without heating, making it ideal for travel, camping, and hiking. Its 2-in-1 compatibility supports both Nespresso capsules and ground coffee. The included travel bag ensures easy portability, and its compact design makes it a must-have for coffee lovers on the go. Number 4, HiBREW H10B Espresso Coffee Machine. The HiBREW H10B is a high-performance 20-bar espresso machine designed for home baristas and coffee enthusiasts. Its stainless steel housing ensures durability, while the 51mm portafilter allows for rich coffee extraction. With an adjustable coffee volume and temperature, you can customize each brew to perfection. It serves 5 to 10 cups, making it great for family and friends. Whether you're pulling a single espresso or a creamy cappuccino, this machine guarantees a premium coffee experience. Number 3, Xiaomi MIJIA 3-in-1 Portable Espresso Machine. The Xiaomi MIJIA 3-in-1 Portable Espresso Machine is perfect for travel, camping, and home use. Featuring intelligent extraction with double-click heating, it ensures a perfect brew every time. Its Type-C USB charging makes it highly convenient, while its easy-to-rinse and disassemble design allows for effortless cleaning. The direct extraction mode supports hot and cold water brewing, giving you versatility in every cup. Compact and efficient, it's a must-have for coffee lovers on the move. Number 2, Houselin 20-bar Espresso Machine. The Houselin 20-bar Espresso Machine is a great choice for home baristas who love high-quality coffee. Its professional milk frothing wand creates creamy froth for cappuccinos and lattes, while the 1050W power ensures quick brewing. The removable drip tray allows easy cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. With a 1-year warranty, you get peace of mind with your purchase. This machine is perfect for anyone who enjoys making barista-style coffee at home effortlessly. Number 1, PCM04 20-bar Self-Heating Travel Coffee Maker. The PCM04 20-bar Self-Heating Travel Coffee Maker is ideal for coffee lovers on the go. With a powerful 7,500 mAh battery, it charges in just 3 to 3.5 hours, ensuring you can brew espresso anywhere. The 20G filter capacity supports ultrafine grinding for rich flavor, while the 96 degrees Celsius extraction temperature guarantees optimal taste. Its 80 ml water capacity is perfect for single servings, making it an excellent choice for travel, camping, or daily use.